Hey guys, I hope you still have some energy left because you will need it very much. Circuit training is a highlight of the day. We have 4 rounds of it to complete and 12 exercises in each round. So as you can see guys, we are slowly raising the plank. Just to remind you, for the circuit we work on time, doing small breaks between exercises and bigger breaks between rounds. All suggested time frames are in front of you. If you are not agree with them, you are free to change, but at least try to go with us with the first round and then see whether or not you want to stick to it. We start with knee tucks. Place your both hands on the waistline, jump and try to reach your both palms with your knees. If that seems too high, try just simply jump and bring your knees as high as possible. Wrong way to do it is trying to reach your butt with your heels. This is the wrong way. The easier version is to bring alternate knee up to the alternate hand. You can add a skip. Round lifts. You will need a little piece of equipment for that. You simply draw a half circle around you, trying to keep both arms straight. Please prepare all the equipment before you start the training. Jump twist. No special requirements here. The main thing is you have to try and twist your body as far as you can. Also, you can control the depth of the squat. You can make it as a half squat or really go deeper. Another kind of twist in a row, this is what we call the Russian twist. Right knee goes to the left elbow, right elbow goes to the left knee. You can keep your feet up or you can rest them on the floor. Also, this kind of option is acceptable. Hips thrusters. Place your both feet flat on the floor, engage your glutes and pressing from the heels drive your hips up. Try to make this move nice and controlled. You can do both legs or single-legged. Front straight lift. Good exercise for shoulders and your pectoral muscles. Keep your arms straight and with an exhale, lift the weight in front of you up to the eye level or a little bit higher. Step up with knee. This is Muay Thai inspired exercise. Every move you have to start and end up with your knee on the floor. You may want to use a knee pad for that. Don't hesitate to grab the wall or any objects around you if you're struggling to keep the balance. Also, feel free to swap legs as you feel comfortable. Jack press. Here's the pattern. On 1 we push the weight up and open our legs, on 2 we bring everything back. And 1 and 2. And now on your pace. Inhale on 2, exhale on 1. Knee hugs. Good and effective core exercise. And here is some simplified version. And another one. Knee to elbow alternate raises. Left arm, right leg, knee to elbow and bring it up. Knee to elbow and bring it up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Right arm, left leg, knee to elbow and bring it up. Try to curve your back as much as possible and bend it back with a lift. You are free to alternate sides whenever you feel comfortable. Quick feet. It's very similar to high knees, with only difference that we don't try to lift our knees as high as possible. Instead, we try to move our feet as fast as possible. Steam engines. This is kind of slow pace exercise. Lift up your arms and bring your right elbow to left knee, left elbow to right knee. Exhale every time your knee meets your elbow. This is the last exercise in the circuit. It's meant to help you to fetch your breath and to help you to recover between rounds. And now let's put it all together and see how it looks.